The recent peaceful and successful conduct of the rerun and by-elections across 26 states of Nigeria on February 3rd, 2024 is a proof of the strategic deployment of the Nigerian police force and resilient support for our democratic process. Whilst majority of the elections proceeded smoothly, there were pockets of challenges encountered in some areas. In response, the police took swift action, making several arrests to prevent the disruption of the electoral process. In total, 14 suspects, including 2 public officials, were apprehended across the affected states. In Akwa Ibom State, a locally made pistol was recovered, while a suspected thug was lynched by members of the public in Kaduna State. The arrested suspects will be handed over to INEC upon conclusion of investigations for further actions in line with the provisions of the Electoral Act 2022. In spite of the aforementioned achievements and accolades, we must not lose sight of the pervasive atmosphere of insecurity and the malfeasance of some of our men and officers. It is deeply regrettable that we have some unscrupulous elements in our midst who often conduct themselves improperly, thereby bringing the force into disrepute. These unscrupulous elements in our midst often disparage the good and hard work of the majority of us, thereby compounding the negative image of the Nigerian police in the eyes of the public. I hereby state categorically that it is our responsibility to ensure better service delivery through the strict supervision of our men and officers. It is incumbent upon us to lead by example and leave no room for the negative elements in our midst to thrive.